Okay, so I'm out here. It's Saturday morning. I've done a little, very detailed engineer drawing of what we're doing here. So I've got, the number of logs and all this stuff. So I'm here on Saturday morning with this good man, Larry. This is Kimberly's father, obviously Emma's grandpa, and we have gotten, what do we got? 9 8-footers, an 18-footer, a 13-footer, two 10-footers, and a bunch of 5-footers. So we've been doing this all this morning, and should have it loaded up and in the driveway by like 1 o'clock. So I'll check back in then. Okay, so what we're doing now is we have this log hooked up to a cable, which is hooked up to the winch in the truck. And now we are just slowly winching the log in to obviously get it closer to where we are and then load it onto the flat deck trailer. Okay, so we went to the beach, Larry and I. We loaded up all these logs. So now we get to unload them and put them in the backyard. See you then. So here we are. We moved all the wood in the backyard. So that's all the wood to build a shelter for that little concrete pad and a bit more. And then you see the crane thing that I built. So I've kind of modified it because before I had this big come along winch on it. But now I put an electric winch on it up to that log. So they should be able to hold it in that position while I prop up the posts and then build the supports for it, the vertical support. So I will let you know how that goes when I get a couple supports up. All right, so it is, I don't know, I think like 8:30, almost 9 o'clock. And we got a fire going, lots of progress today. Emery's helping me a lot. Okay. Anyways, behind us there, I don't know if you can see, but the far end of the log is held on another log, and this one is just hanging in the air. So I'm cutting a log for the far side right now, and we'll hopefully get that up and have the first beam up and supported tonight. But I'll check back in and let you know. So now I did not get that last log cut. It got dark and the chainsaw died. So now Emery and I are just watching some TV show on racehorses. Very random. Anyways, it's what us fancy people do. Right, Emery?
Yep.
Yeah, baller.